Hi, I'm Cathy Harris. Have you ever considered doing something totally out of the box, taking a risk and creating an opportunity that will leave a legacy within your organization? Well, I can offer you that opportunity by assisting you to set up, run and maintain an internal assistant network. Isn't that cool? Well, my one-day workshop will provide you with the necessary strategizing, planning, resources, hands-on practical experience to help get you started, giving you the full picture of what initiatives you can share, how to manage these initiatives, as well as inviting your peers to participate and be part of a work group or a committee. I can provide interactive and fun sessions that will break down those barriers that hold us back and prevent us from collaborating with each other, and opportunities to discover the hidden talent that each assistant has that can be shared across our peer community. An internal network saves your organization money and time in that learning and development opportunities come from who? The assistants themselves. Want me to come and share with you? Connect with Executive Secretary, Speaker Bureau, and hashtag AskForTraining on social media. Thank you.